Get strong.
Welcome to another vlog, 12 years gone. Today I will be disassembling this fan and reassembling it. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. Enjoy the video. Anti-clockwise, take off this. And spoon forward. Right here. Load that. And that's it. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to reassemble. See there, the old and the thicker part. And the set it right here. See there. So you can actually raise this the height that you want, and right here clockwise. Tighten it. Alright. See, there are two sides. This one should be the last that you insert. That you attach rather. So right there, two groove. The groove right there, see there? Right there. Right there. And push it all the way back. And of course, to tighten that groove, you need to put this on and you screw clockwise. There. And please, see that hole? Just fit it there. And this. Anti-clockwise, or counterclockwise, as you see. Nasty but not these. Make sure that the Lasko Fan is there. So what you're going to do, you see this hole down there, you just attach it. And you just press along the end. You hear that snaps down. That's it. Brand new fan. Well clean already. The cool down just about anybody. And as usual, thanks for watching. Please like the video, share the video, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Peace.